Okay guys, today we're going to measure the EC or electrical conductivity of the plants that we've been fertilizing, and we're going to use what's called the pour-through method, right? So the first thing I got to do is calibrate my EC meter. This can both measure electrical conductivity as well as pH, right? So it measures both. So in order to calibrate it, I've got a solution that you purchase. You should calibrate them a couple times a year. Ultimately, I'm checking the water here at 74 degrees. I'm just reading the label. It says that I should be at about between 1350 and 1400 parts per million. So I can set my meter here to parts per million, or the moles. I'm going to parts per million. Let's see where we're at. I'm going to take out the thermometer now. 1420, so we're a little bit high. So I'm going to calibrate it by turning this little knob here. I'm going to get it down to 30. Whoop, whoop, whoop. See how quick it moves? 13. It said between what, 1360 and 1400. I'm going to go a little bit north, yeah, more toward the 1400. Ah, too much. Ah. Should have left it at 1390. It's very sensitive. 1400, there we go. Okay, so now it's been calibrated, right? So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna rinse this off real quick. So I've set up an experiment here, right? I fertilized these an hour ago, right? And now I've got them set up in these beakers. This one, what you do is you pour in 80 milliliters of deionized water, right? The college has a deionizer machine where it takes out all the cations and all the anions, right? The ions. So I have to let that sit for a while. This one has sat for 10 minutes, and you can see we've got I took this leachate out of this one. So now I can measure the EC of that, right? This is the leachate. This is what's coming through. It's leaching, right, through the soil profile. Wait, I want to go back to my... Okay, so we're at 3.76, right? 3.69, whatever. It's going to stabilize a bit. 3.654. Still wants to go down a bit. Oh, no, it just went back up. So we're going to say we're at the 3.65 range, right? So that's the millimoles. I don't have a chart. These are elephant ears, which I think are on the high side. We don't have that chart done yet. You guys are working on that for your PowerPoint. But when I looked through what we did last night, right, for the perennials, most of those are 2 to 2.5, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. So we're right in that range with the 2.69 we were, correct? The last thing I wanted to show you was this one, and regretfully I don't have as much leachate as I was hoping, so I don't know if this is going to work. Let's try it. This is one I did not fertilize today. I just want to rinse that all out so I don't have any... Shoot, we're not going to have enough. I didn't give it enough time to drain. Let's see if we can get enough out of this. Nope, the meter's not going to fit in there. Let's try it. Surprise, that's high. The other was at 2.6. This is at 2.8. I'll have to think about that. It is still going down, but okay, so basically that's how we do our EC calibration, okay? I'll have to think about that, but that's the process. It's called the pour-through method, right? And we'll talk about it in lecture. All right, see ya.